What's up, everybody? I hope you're having a good day. We're having a very good day because it is new t-shirt day. There's no one here. I'm alone. See, we like to drive, you like to drive, but sometimes we drive a little too fast, and that means we're going to meet one of America's fine law enforcement vehicles. But there's a bunch of them. How do you keep track? Well, we've made a shirt that basically shows the species of cop cars. Remember those posters on the wall when you were a kid of dinosaurs and birds and peregrine falcons? It's like that. We call it Predators of American Highways because if you speed and break the law, you get chased and you become the prey and you get a ticket. And before you get all upset and you get triggered and you start getting real mad on the internet about us using the word predator, just relax. It's a joke. Remember jokes? Remember jokes before the internet criticized everything you said? Okay? It's a joke. And we've shown it to cops, CHP officers, friends, family, enthusiasts. Everybody thinks it's funny and they know what it's about. So just relax, okay? Now we've got these awesome stencil drawings with Latin-ish type names below them. Help you keep track of what you're seeing. Cars like the Hontus Mirorius, the thing you see in all of your rearview mirror nightmares. Got the Toughest Imperium. Then there's the Officerus Obscurus, which is the Chevy Caprice, basically the automotive version of a king snake and a coral snake. And then finally, the Investigator Citationist. Now we're selling them in 3 colors. The fabric's really, really soft and the fit is very good. Just for reference, this is a large, and I am 5'10", about 170 pounds. If you're European, this would be considered a quad XL, okay? They're only going to be on sale for 2 weeks, from July 25th to August 8th. So hit the link in the description, go to our Teespring store, and help support the people that make the content you enjoy for free, okay? Once again, only on sale for 2 weeks, from July 25th to August 8th. 3 colors, funny shirts. We're stoked about them. Help support us. Thank you for watching.